Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge clips in the CapCut desktop app to create a smooth, professional sequence for your next project. Step 1. Import and arrange your media. The foundation of a good merge starts with getting your files into the workspace in the right order. Open CapCut on your PC or Mac and click Create Project. Click the Import button to select your video files, then drag them from the media library down onto the timeline. As you drop them, CapCut's auto-snapping feature will automatically pull the clips together so there are no black gaps between them. You can easily rearrange the flow by clicking and dragging a clip left or right to change its position in the story. Step 2. Trim for a perfect fit. To make the merge feel intentional, you'll want to cut out any dead air at the start or end of your clips. Move your playhead to the exact spot where you want a clip to end, and press Ctrl+B, split, or simply hover over the edge of a clip and drag it inward. Trimming ensures that the transition from one scene to the next happens at the height of the action. On the desktop app, you have much more precision using your mouse than on mobile, so take a second to line up your cuts perfectly with your audio. Step 3. Create a compound clip. If you want to treat all your separate videos as one single file, making it easier to move them or apply effects to everything at once, you can merge them into a compound clip. Highlight all the clips on your timeline by clicking and dragging over them. Right-click on the selection and choose Create Compound Clip. This collapses all your individual segments into one clean bar on your timeline. It's perfect for when you're finished with the main edit and want to add a final color grade or a uniform zoom effect to the entire sequence without having to adjust every clip individually. And that's pretty much it. To merge clips on CapCut Desktop, import your videos and drag them to the timeline. Arrange and trim them to your liking. Then highlight everything and select Create Compound Clip to lock them together as one single, editable unit. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.